Well, the countdown to the stay-at-home order continues. On Thursday, March 26th, an executive order to stay at home loomed. We took a ride around to see how the COVID-19 virus has affected our biggest attractions. And yesterday, Disney announced they'll stay closed until at least April 18th. Traffic on I-4 was like nothing we'd ever experienced. We could drive the speed limit near Disney. And usually this area is slow, if not completely stopped. So let's take a trip to Walt Disney World and see what's different. We'll enter the property at Hotel Plaza and head out through the back. There were a lot of cars parked outside of the Reedy Creek Improvement District headquarters, or the Board Cube. So I guess government goes on as always. I have never seen traffic this light around Disney Springs. Almost every car headed to the Magic Kingdom enters through World Drive. It's usually covered with cars, trucks, and buses. It was also nice to see that the buses were practicing social distancing. There was at least one spot in between each one of them. And I didn't know Disney had that many buses. Keep in mind, these are just the Disney Transport buses. Disney Cruise Line and the Magical Express are Mears buses, and they'll be stored somewhere else. This is Western Way at rush hour. Usually this road is bumper to bumper as cast members finish their day and head out the back door to 429. Universal was pretty much the same, a ghost town. All their resort hotels, theme parks, and city walks are all closed.
starts now. It is breaking right now. The countdown is over. Orange and Osceola counties are under a stay-at-home order.
We should all join with the royal family children in applauding our medical professionals. But let me also add in dispatchers, law enforcement, emergency paramedics and EMTs, and as always, my brother and sister firefighters. We could really use your help on our team. It's pretty easy. You just head over to Patreon /As Bob Sees It. Your pledge for as little as $1 a month would really help us create more content. Of course, we wouldn't turn down a larger pledge. And as our Patreon account grows, we'll be able to offer special Patreon-only content. If you like this video, why not give it a big thumbs up? It really does help, as YouTube's algorithm sends more folks over to take a peek. And if you haven't done it already, don't miss your chance to subscribe. It's free. Just click on the subscribe button on the page. But remember, YouTube has had a few hiccups, so if you really want to make sure you catch my next video, make sure you click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. But remember, stay safe, use precautions, and wash your hands.